The gradual discovery of techniques for obtaining and processing metals entailed a full-scale cultural revolution. Even today, the development of these techniques continues to be taken as a reference to separate major cultural stages: bronze, iron. The two basic methods for shaping metals into utensils for varied functions are forging and casting. Forging involves heating pieces of metal to make them pliable and then shaping and welding them together by hitting them with a hammer on an anvil. There are many tools used for this work, such as different types of hammers, cutters, punches, files or chisels. With them, the master craftsman can reduce, stress, stretch or widen the iron to make lamps, streetlights, gates, security railings, fences, lanterns. In casting, the material is heated to very high temperatures to turn it into a liquid, which is then poured into molds which have the precise shape of the desired object. The founding tradition has remained in Andalucia using bronze, aluminium and brass, which allows them, with casting and moulding processes, to produce a wide range of objects for domestic use, decoration. Forge work has been very characteristic throughout Andalucia, and there are many museums that house pieces linked to this tradition. Currently, some workshops continue to work in a fairly traditional form, despite having incorporated more advanced machinery. The objects produced from this artisanal work are peculiar to Andalusian houses.